Welcome back to episode 3. We about to make some money. We are up since last episode, and what you're gonna get from this video is all these trades that have gotten me to this point and all the progress that we've made in this challenge, and so that you can be a better trader, so that you can learn from me and join me on a similar journey. So let's jump right into it. First thing, we're up 33% on the last episode, and we are currently over 50% since we started this challenge in just 2 months. So we've had an increase of 13.2% since last episode. And I went through all these numbers, went through all of the trades that I did, and we're gonna be looking at all this on a Google Sheets. But 2 days ago, the portfolio was at $457.65 if we did 0 trades at all, just held on to what we bought when we bought. And then portfolio last episode, it was at $594, and it was a 33% increase. And now the portfolio right now, well, this was 2 days ago. The portfolio 2 days ago was $672.34. All right, we are on our Binance US. And as you can see, we are at $703.49 instead of the $672 that we were 2 days ago. And we have also had a couple trades since then, so we have more USD than we did at the time of this recording. So something else to keep in mind during this past month is I had over $300 in USD at one point, which was about 30 to 40% of the portfolio, and that was because of all the trades that I've been doing over the past month. And so the portfolio will fluctuate with USD, and so having USD is so important. I've stressed this before, but I recommend to always have at least 10% of your portfolio in USD at all times, so that you can have that money to trade with, so when there are dips like we've seen in the past couple of days. We're gonna go over all the trades that I've done to get me to this point and how much I've made from the trades that I've done. Okay, so on this Google Sheets, we're gonna scroll down so we can see all the trades that I have done. As you can see, there's quite a few of them. We actually have a total of 39 trades that I've done since last month. An important thing to notice is some coins I sold and I bought at a lower price, which is the normal strategy that I teach, but then also some other coins I sold and I put it directly into another coin. So that is something that I teach, going from one altcoin straight into another one. Like for example, OXT had this pump last month from 25 cents all the way up to almost 40 cents, and I completely sold out of that position. And some of it I rebought. As you can see here, I had a trade where I sold 50 of them at 30 cents, 30.84 cents, and then another 121 at 36.89 cents. And then I rebought that position at 26.87 cents and made an additional 52.56 OXT, which was $13.30. But I also had some other OXT that I sold at 28.9 cents, and I just put it into a different position. So that's something that I teach, is going straight from one coin into another is a good opportunity if the coin is up so much in one day. And another example of that is I sold 49.26 storage at 99.27 cents. And I put those profits into VeChain because it was at a lower price for the day and storage was up a lot. And if you like that tip, make sure to drop a like down below on this video, because we're gonna be doing another challenge where if we can get to 50 likes, I'm gonna do 50 push-ups at the end of my next video that I record. I can't do 50 push-ups in a row, so it's gonna be me struggling to get to 50. And as we get more and more likes, we're gonna go to 100 push-ups, 200 push-ups, maybe even 500 push-ups, which would take forever, so it'd be hilarious, trust me. And we could also do other challenges like doing little dances like the Carlton, single ladies, whatever you guys want to see. So we had all these trades, and one of the things that I emphasize is when you're starting out trading, you want to shoot for $1 or $2 a trade. As you can see here, as I scroll down, a lot of these trades were $1, $1.50, $2, $5, and there's quite a few that were under $1, 70 cents, 60 cents, 75 cents, 80 cents, 75. So the total I made was $41.69. Now keep in mind, these were from the trades that I sold and rebought but a lot of these trades I sold and put into different positions. Those ones aren't taken into account with these numbers, so it's probably even more than that. And value number 3 is the progress we've made if we compare it to the prices when we originally bought. So I went through and looked at all the prices of when we bought these coins and what they were trading at and how many coins I have now. So I went through right here on the right side, you can see that prices when I bought in. These are all the prices that they were trading at. And at the time of this, 2 days ago, my portfolio would be at $1,516.83. So that is crazy. We're definitely over 50%, even though it doesn't look like it right now. And I'm super happy with the progress we're making. And right here, I'm gonna go through my trade history so you can see all these trades. I've done a few more trades since I've made this document 2 days ago, and you can see them here. And just looking through our trade history, we've been doing multiple trades a day just since the last month. And so you can see all the little trades we're doing to make a little bit here and there, and make that extra $1, extra $2 per trade will really grow your portfolio. And that's what I teach in my course, is how to grow your portfolio by reacting to what the market gives you. And that's what I'm doing in this challenge. There's no timeline in when I'm gonna complete this challenge of $10,000. It might take me a year. It might take me a year and a half. Getting a 10x return on your money in a year and a half is amazing. It's incredible. And so these little trades that I'm doing to get an extra $1, an extra $2 a trade is really setting me forward to where in a couple months from now, I could be getting an extra $5, an extra $10 per trade. And it just compounds off of itself that later on you'll be making even more and more. And the other thing is since we are at $704, $703, we're actually up 19.7% instead of the 13.2% that I calculated 2 days ago. And so with the fluctuations, you can see that the portfolio size is actually increasing even more. So I'm super excited, super happy with the results we've had so far. And I hope that you can join me on this journey from 1,000 to 10,000. As a reminder, the first thing is the progress that we've made. We are up over 50%, probably even 53 to 55% since we've started this challenge. And that's in portfolio size, not the number. And another thing to remember is to always have some USD in your portfolio from trading. Always shoot to have 10%. As you can see, we have about 10% in our portfolio in USD for trades. Number 2 is the amount of trades we've made. We have made 39 trades since last month, which is over a trade a day. And we have made $41.69. Not including the other trades we did. And another tip that I mentioned is going from one altcoin into another altcoin. That's something that I do a lot. And lastly, the progress that we've made. If the prices were at when we originally bought, we would be at $1,516.83. And honestly, it'd probably be $1,600 and something because of the additional trades we've done just in the past 2 days. So remember, just shoot for those small trades, $1 to $2, and you will see incredible progress in your portfolio. And as always, keep it in the green.